But again, I'm gonna say this again. If you're thinking about upgrading from a Gen 4 to a Gen 6, do it. Do it. Y'all, I'm on my way to go get this new Glock. Tune in with me. Tune in with me. Look, less words. Less words. Less words. Here. Y'all check out Range USA. They kind of taxing on that bad boy. I want that Glock 17. But yeah, Range USA, man, they got some stuff. They always get like their guns first. So I figured they would have it. Anytime something new come out, they have it within like that same month. If you look on the little Glock website, they still on a countdown, but Range USA, y'all, they be having. They be having. Man, y'all know what a Glock box look like. Ain't nothing special. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I do like that. I like the grip. This remind me of like a FN. That feel like an FN, like the FN stippling. But let me go home, get out these men's face. They want to go home for the night. Here y'all go. Here y'all go. Real nice. You got that. It's clear. Everything's clear. Basically, we're gonna compare to this Gen 4. I think this right. Ooh, the Glock glitter. The Glock glitter. Y'all might not know what that is, but yes, the Glock glitter. I ain't seen that in a minute. That copper. Yes, yes. That. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Let me put this back together. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Y'all hearing this shit live though. This is crazy. What they say? What they say? Crazy. I can't even focus. I can't even focus. Hold on, y'all. I've been messing with the Taurus all day, so I don't got excited with this. It worked. It worked. So again, this is the Glock 17 Generation 6. There are a lot of 19s, a lot of 45s out there. This texture again feels like a FN. It feels like a Glock, but at the same time, it reminds me a lot like a FN. So like this feel like a Glock. I like that. I like that. And then back here in the background, y'all might have seen that this is a Gen 4. This is 10 millimeter Glock 20. I believe that if you got a Gen 4, it's time to upgrade. It's time to upgrade. These upgrades are enough for you to go ahead and forget about your Gen 4. Now, I ain't going to say forget about it. This ain't going nowhere, to be straightforward with y'all, but man, the difference is you can see them. The stippling is upgraded over here. You got the magwell cut right here, that indent. It's more pronounced on the Gen 6 than the Gen 4 was. The triggers. Look at the triggers side by side. So we got the new flat trigger on the new Gen 6 in comparison to the old. This is the old Gen 4 trigger. This isn't even that upgraded marksman trigger or whatever they dropped a few years ago. Mag release, still wide, still in a nice position. Gen 4's had this groove here. It's kind of still there. Slide lock, one pin takedown instead of the 3 or the 2, however you want to say it. Here, the back looks very, very similar. Now on my Gen 4, I got the extended dovetail. It's a Glock 20. If y'all shooting those big calibers, that dovetail helps out. As soon as I put that dovetail on this Glock 20, I start keyholing. But this dovetail is similar. That's crazy. That's crazy. The box did come with 2 additional back straps over here. But again, I'm gonna say this again. If you're thinking about upgrading from a Gen 4 to a Gen 6, do it. I didn't think that the Gen 4 to Gen 5 upgrade was enough, in my opinion. That all they did was remove the finger grooves from Gen 4 to Gen 5. So again, like, bro, they took that off. What else they do in Gen 5? Nothing. You feel me? They made it cute. It looked good. You know, oh, they upgraded the trigger, they like to say in Gen. So I shit got me stuttering and shit. They upgraded the trigger in Gen 5. But again, that trigger was never bad. Y'all just, a lot of people didn't put in work with the Glock triggers. I do have a ghost connector on the inside. This is straight factory. That's smooth. So like I said, I got a little bit of I got a trigger job going on this one. But hey, when you got an EDC, you supposed to put in the work, put in the necessary time to make sure you know what to do on that. Hold on, this is nice though. I can get used to that. Yeah, so the brake getting bad. The brake getting bad. I'm gonna get used to this. There's some I gotta do some work on this. I gotta do some work. RIP to the Glock colleges. If y'all know who the Glock colleges was from the gun shows, yeah. RIP the Glock colleges. That was a legend in the market. Wonderful. Wonderful. I didn't even check the box to see if it had an MOS plate, so I need to double check that. I will throw on that Leopold, that Delta Point going on top of one of these. Y'all can have a refrigerator in all the boxes. But again, simply put, if you think about upgrading, that wasn't factory. These night sights were not factory. I did have to upgrade those. Of course, the gold's not factory. I don't believe in all them Gucci guns, man. So if y'all got a paint job on y'all guns, congratulations to y'all. Speaking of the paint job, look at the slides. Look at the slides. They have that near diamond like coating on the new ones. The old ones didn't have the near diamond like coating. They were just kind of like this. See how that one's like a deeper, kind of glossier black. This one almost looked like a gray. It's kind of like a gunmetal gray. Yeah, so that new coating. They put that coating on the Gen 5. I'm sure y'all know that. Another thing is this is the Glock 47 frame. But this is just a Glock 47. I'm sure y'all heard that already. This is a Gen 5 Glock 47. But welcome to the future. That's where we at. That's where we at. Came with 3 magazines. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, y'all. So if y'all think about the 17, upgrading from a Gen 4 or a Gen 3 from that matter, go for it. Don't even think twice. And these finger grooves, I actually love them on the Gen 4. But the way this feels in your hand, it's just something different. It's just something different. Like you know that there's something more to come. And then like you see my thumb right there, naturally fitting into that groove. So all good stuff, man. All good stuff. All good stuff. All good stuff. Oh, wait. What's that? What's going on the inside? What's that going on the inside? Y'all seen that? Ooh, the YNs, they on their way. For the most part, that's it on the differences. It is worth the upgrade. Again, I don't know, I'm gonna say 500 for that original one back in the day. I paid 700 for this one. Trigger upgrades be $200. MOS be $200. So again, you saving yourself $200 by just getting it out of here. Stippling jobs be $150. So again, like if you pay 500 plus two plus 150, just buy this. Just buy this. It has everything. Um, there is gonna be some more work that I put into it. I don't like that. What's going on? That's kind of stiff. I gotta figure that one out. I think it just gotta be broken in, honestly. I done put thousands around through that Generation 4. Thousands. Like we lost count. And then this is we're gonna make a rap song. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Shit. Let me know what y'all want to see. It's simple like that. There's some internal differences that I'm not about to show y'all. I've been shadow banned on YouTube for the past 3 years. I've been shadow banned on all platforms, and I'm just trying to get paid. We trying to get monetized. So like this comment, share, all of that good stuff. Hit the bell notification, all the new stuff that they're doing on YouTube in 2026. Go ahead and do that too. Just run it up, run it up, run it up. Hey, y'all boys, stay friendly out there. Stay safe, goddamn.